So it's Saturday. Tough one today, mentally. My cousin, kind of the matriarch of one side of our family, passed away this morning from COVID. So this morning's kind of just been phone calls, chatting with people. It just brings it all to home again. All of the stuff that you feel and the vibes and whatnot. So that's fun. Hello vlog, we are in the workshop. There's things in my face. I am currently running the wiring for our ring main with 14 sockets on it. It's good fun. Good fun. What day is it?
Sunday.
It's Sunday. Are we on V10 already? It's been a good day for Abby. She's had lots of energy, done lots of work. I've done less work. Oh, pardon me. I've done less work. I had to have a sleep. All got a bit hard work, you know.
What's for dinner? Burgers and wedges.
Yay! Wedges. Bagels. Burgers and bagels. We're going to eat dinner and watch a film this evening. You might see us, you might not do. It depends what else we do. Today's beer, Brewdog Punk IPA in a handle, because why not?
Because you're an old man.
I'm not an old man. Hello from the shed. It's Monday. What's happening today? I'm slowly wiring up 14 sockets, very slowly. Lawrence is wiring more lights. It's all Lawrence ever does. It's quite satisfying doing sockets. Say hello.
Hello.
No, look at the camera. Wait. I'm also slowly building some shelves. This is how far I've got with my shelving today. How did you find V10? That's 2.5 minutes of glory. Hip shut and fast, 4 days in 2.5 minutes. I missed Friday. I've lost the footage for Friday. Unfortunate. Thanks for watching. Like if you enjoy this comment. We'll do a workshop tour in V11, I think. We're pretty much there. Stay safe, guys, and stay happy.